Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on Nintendo Switch Lite. Many players are eager to enjoy the vast world of Teyvat on their portable Nintendo Switch Lite. Genshin Impact is a fantastic open-world action role-playing game, celebrated for its stunning visuals and engaging combat. While it's widely available on PlayStation consoles, personal computers, and various mobile devices, an official Nintendo Switch version was announced. However, a specific release date for this version has not yet been confirmed by the developers. Optimizing a game of Genshin Impact's scale for the Nintendo Switch Lite presents unique challenges. The developers, HoYoverse, are committed to ensuring a high-quality experience across all platforms. This involves extensive work on performance, graphical fidelity, and user interface adjustments to suit the Switch's hardware capabilities. Game development for new platforms is a lengthy process, often requiring many months or even years of dedicated effort. Beyond the Luna controller, you have several options. You can pair other Bluetooth controllers, such as those from Xbox or PlayStation, directly through your device's Bluetooth settings. Alternatively, transform your smartphone into a controller by downloading the Luna controller app and scanning a QR code. For a reliable, wired connection, simply plug in a compatible controller using a USB-C cable. When Genshin Impact eventually arrives on the Nintendo Switch, including the Switch Lite, players can anticipate a tailored experience. It will undoubtedly offer the convenience of portable gameplay, allowing you to explore Teyvat anywhere. We can expect controls to be fully optimized for the Joy-Con controllers, providing intuitive navigation and combat. There might also be graphical adjustments to ensure smooth performance on the Switch's hardware, and hopefully, cross-save functionality will allow you to carry your progress across devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.